Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. As usual, at the beginning of my video, I have a challenge for you. Today I have only two jugs, a 3-liter jug and a 5-liter jug, but the jugs have no measurement lines on them. How could you measure out 4 liters of water? You can pause the video and think about it. Alright, I think you will have a correct answer. Let's show me the way. At first, two jugs are empty, so I write 0 and 0 here. It means we have 0 liter inside a 3-liter jug and 0 liter inside a 5-liter jug. Next, I fill 3-liter jug with water, so I write number 3 here. After filling 3-liter jugs with water, I pour it in 5-liter jug. Now we have 0 and 3. Once more time, I fill 3-liter jug and pour it into the 5-liter jug. This time we can pour only 2 liter and 1 liter will be left in the 3-liter jug. Next, I will empty the 5-liter jug and pour the 1 liter water from the 3-liter jug to the 5-liter jug. Again, fill up the 3-liter jug and pour it into 5-liter jug. So 5-liter jug now have 4 liters of water. Do you have another way? Yes, actually it has another way that you can get 4 liters of water. Do you know it? Alright, I will show you in the next video. But now I have a question for you. You can see we have 3-liter and 5-liter label here. What do they mean? Or what can 3 label tell you? Yes, it is the maximum amount of water that this jug can hold. 3-liter jug means this jug can hold the maximum of 3 liters of water. 5-liter jug can hold the maximum amount of water is 5 liters. In math, we call 3-liter and 5-liter as the capacity of jug. In the lesson today, we are going to learn about the capacity. Lesson 23, Capacity Unit. As the example above, we have capacity is amount that something can hold. For example, on the milk box, write 250 milliliter. It means the capacity of this one is 250 milliliter. Or the maximum amount of water can hold inside it is 250 milliliter. In the same way, the capacity of this wine is 1 liter. So 1 liter is the maximum amount of wine inside it. Or it just has a capacity of 1 liter. And here are most common measurements of capacity like liter, milliliter, or cubic centimeter. Let me talk about the 1 cubic centimeter. What does it look like? Well, if I have a cube that's 1 centimeter on each side, then the space inside of this cube is a certain capacity. So, if I pour water here, how much water do you think you can pour in? Yes, it is 1 cubic centimeter. It looks like when you learn about the area of 2D shape. 1 square centimeter is the space inside this shape. And here, 1 cubic centimeter is space inside a 3D shape. And we write number 3 on the top instead of number 2 because of 3D shape. And the important thing here is 1 cubic centimeter is exactly equal to 1 milliliter. We define it to be equal to 1 milliliter. Now I have a question for you. How many milliliters are in the 2-liter bottle? Think about it to find out what milliliter means. Yes, very good. A milliliter is 1/1000th of a liter, and if it is 2-liter bottle, that must be 2000 of milliliter. How can you calculate the capacity of shapes? You can count the number of cubes inside them. Here we have a shape with 2 cubes. It means that the capacity is 2 cubic centimeter or 2 milliliter. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10 cubes. Means that the capacity of this shape is 10 cubic centimeter. or 10 milliliters. How about this one? We have a shape with a lot of cubes. Let's count how many cubes are there. Imagine each of them are a layer. So we have 10 layers. And in each layer, we have 10 times 10 equal to 100 cubes. It means the shape has 100 cubes times 10 layers equal to 1000 cubes or 1000 cubic centimeter. And 1000 cubic centimeter is 1000 milliliter or 1 liter. And an interesting thing here is if the size of each cube is 1 centimeter like that, so this size is 10 centimeter or equal to 1 decimeter. And this size is 1 decimeter too. Similarly, this size is 1 decimeter. Now, the biggest cube is 1 cubic decimeter, right? And you can find the capacity is 1 cubic decimeter. As a result, we get 1 cubic decimeter equal to 1 liter. Interesting. Alright, there are two important things you need to remember. 1 milliliter equal to 1 cubic centimeter and 1 liter equal to 1 cubic decimeter. You know from 1 liter to 1 milliliter, we multiply with 1000, like from kilogram to gram or kilometer to meter. So from 1 cubic decimeter to 1 cubic centimeter, we multiply with 1000. How about from cubic meter to cubic decimeter? Yes, we multiply with 1000. Very good. And now if I want to convert from 1 cubic meter to 1 cubic centimeter, I multiply with 1000, right? No, we multiply it with 1 million. Inversely, if now I want to convert from 1 cubic decimeter to 1 cubic meter, we divide it by 1000. Alright, this is the time for practice. Example 2.1. Find the capacity of these objects. In this problem, we can find the capacity by counting the number of cubes. The first one we have 6 cubes. Each cube is 1 cubic meter. It means the capacity of this shape is 6 cubic meter. The second one we have 3 cubes on the first layer and 1 cube on the second layer. In total, it has 4 cubes. Each cube is 1 cubic decimeter. So there are 4 cubic decimeter. Great. In the same way, there are 5 cubes or there are 5 cubic units on the last question. And now, example 2.2. Find the equivalent measure to complete the table. To do this problem, you need to remember 2 things. The first one is 1 liter equal to 1 cubic decimeter and equal to 1000 cubic centimeter equal to 1000 milliliter. Secondly, 1 milliliter equal to 1 gram. Alright, let's do this problem. The first one, 3 cubic centimeter equal to 3 milliliter and equal to 3 gram. Great. The second one, the capacity of water is 5 liter because 1 cubic decimeter equal to 1 liter. Next, the answer is 2 cubic centimeter. Great. Next, we know the capacity of water is 5 milliliter or 5 cubic centimeter. So the mass of water is 5 gram. Very good. In the next question, the mass of water is 8.4 kilogram. It follows that the capacity of water is 8.4 liter or 8.4 cubic decimeter. Actually, you can convert it into cubic centimeter, but it is not necessary. Alright, the last one we have 4000 cubic centimeter is equal to 4 liters or 4 kilogram. Very good. Alright, in the lesson today we learned about the concept of capacity and some units to measure the capacity. That's all for today. Goodbye, see you next time.